Hello folks, today I'm going to be testing fluid film. Here's the fluid film I use on my blowers. It's a non-stick penetrant and lubricant. I'm going to try it on both of my blowers to see how it works. This is going to be a good test. We got about 9 inches of snow. I already using the snowblower, my 80, without the fluid film. So look what happened. It's all clogged up. I mean, this is what happens when you have wet snow. Or you bring it out of a heated garage. You got to bring out the snowblower if you got a heated garage and let it acclimate to the temperature outside. But this is without the fluid film, okay? All right, let's try this one here. I got fluid film all inside the bucket, the chute, and the augers. Well, I got an impeller kit in this machine too. It's throwing pretty good, huh? Okay, now I'm gonna go through the berm. Come on, baby. It's really hard. It's set up overnight. Let's see if I can get it. Come on. All right, good. Well, now that I broke through the berm, I can just tackle a little bit at a time, see? I must be throwing about 40, 50 feet with the impeller kit. Now let's see how the fluid film worked. Look at that. Nice and clean. Nothing sticking. Nothing in the chute. Nothing in the augers. And nothing in the drum. To see the difference with the fluid film compared to my other 80, which had no fluid film in it. This is what I see all the time up here. This is all clogged up. I'm gonna have to get a stick and clean it all out. So there you go, folks. This is where you see the difference between a non-stick spray like fluid film. You can use Snow Jet, you can use Pam, anything that's you can put on the inside of the bucket, the augers, and the chute to keep the wet, slushy stuff from sticking. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you like it and subscribe.